Just got our order of tape from Jeremy Katz. This is the tape we use to protect paint, saddlebags when you're moving from bikes, fenders, paint on cars when we're running wires, anything to protect the paint. This is the heavy duty exterior tape. I'm going to show you guys an example of it in a second. And this is the standard wire wrap tape that we use. If you need anything, just give Jeremy Katz a shout out. He has everything in stock, everything that you need. He's got interior, exterior tapes, under hood tapes, interior, wire wrap tapes. Really great guy. Support Jeremy. He's been doing great things, very helpful throughout the years. All right, we use it to protect the bags. You can lay it down, Gio. It's sticky enough that it'll stay on the bag, but it has no residue left over when you peel it off. So it's really meant to protect the paint without damaging the paint or without too much glue sticking to it. Always got to start off by protecting the bike. This is why we like to use this tape. This is our stinger wire. Any wire that goes outside the bike or outside the car, we like to use this tape on, because look how resistant to abrasion it is. So if you have the wire moving, brushing against the metal, you don't have to worry about it fraying or getting through the installation. I like using this much better than the cheap flex loom, especially on the power wires. That's the tape we like to use from JK Automotives. Tessa also offers a version of this tape, but we like to support our friend Jeremy Katz. He's the importer and he has his own private line of tapes.